Namaste. Welcome to DPC classes. Myself Dhanashri. Today we are going to acquire knowledge about CTS, Cheque Truncation System. The best part about this video is there is no trick you have to remember. Just watch this video and voila. Let's begin now. In India, the check truncation system was introduced on 1st of July 2009. That what exactly the CTS is? It is the check system which came after MICR check system. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Now this is enough to understand about the MICR, that MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. We don't need to study in deep about MICR. We will focus on CTS. Now, as the name suggests, CTS, Cheque Truncation System. Truncate means what in general English? To remove. So, this CTS is the electronic system which removes the hustle between the branches of bank. About what? About clearing the check, and it is eliminated by using CTS. So we can say now the internal branch activities which are related to check clearing become paperless by using this CTS system. Nowadays, right now, which system we are using for check processing? CTS, check truncation system. So hope you understood this concept. Please make a note for this. Thank you so much.